Exercise 4.3. Question number 11. Sum of the areas of two square is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the side of two squares. Student, there are two squares. This is your square. This is your another square. This is your another square. Students, area of first square. Student, please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Student, do you want to study or no? आपको पढ़ना ही नहीं पढ़ना है?
पढ़ना है सर।
तो फिर आप कैमरे को ऑफ क्यों रखा आपने? इसमें only 2 student है switch on their camera. On 24 student present in the class. 24 student present in the class at this time. Achyutam.
Yes, sir.
Area of sphere. Area of sphere.
What, sir? Can you pardon again?
Area of sphere is.
Sir, may I?
Achyutam.
Then,
Sum of areas of two square is 468 meters square.
sir, are you able to hear our voice?
Yes, Pragati, I am able to listen. Achyutam, do you know what is the area of sphere? What are you thinking? You are studying 10th standard, and these formulas start from the 6th class. Shreya Patel. Area of sphere is area of sphere. Yes. Yes, Swasti. Area of sphere is
So, please saying a square units.
A square units. Very good. Now, student, according to first condition. According to first condition. According to first condition. According to first condition. According to first condition, sum of area of two square is 468 meters square. Sum of area of two square, x square plus y square is equal to 468. That is equation first. Any doubt? Any problems? Friends, any doubt?
You have to take two variables in quadratic equation.
Yes, students. Students, in this question we will take two variables. but at the end it will convert into one variables. When it will convert, the equation will convert into one variables, because there are two squares. There are two squares. You will take the different sides. You will take the different sides. But yes, so ask any doubt. There are two square and the side will be
No,
different.
sir.
But at the end, this quadratic equation will convert into one variables. After that we will solve it. Now student, difference of their perimeter is 24 meter. Difference of their perimeter according to second condition. Second condition.
So it will be 4x plus 4y.
Student, perimeter of square is Shreya Patel. Perimeter of square is yes. 4. Voice is not clear. Harshvardhan Shah, Aditya Singh, Srini Pradhan, where are you?
Sir, the perimeter of square is 4a.
Aditya Singh, Srini Pradhan, Harshvardhan Shah, where are you?
Sir,
Your camera is switched off. Aditya Singh, Srini Pradhan, camera is switched off. Your camera is switched off.
My camera is off. Sir, their camera is on. There is network issue.
Now student, perimeter of square is 4 in two side, and in first square side is x, so 4x. That is perimeter of first square, and perimeter of second square is 4y, and difference of their perimeter is 24. 4 bracket x minus y is equal to 24. 4 1 are 4, 4 6 are 24, x minus y is equal to 6. That is your second equation. Now student, you can write such as, that is your x is equal to
6.
x is equal to 6 plus y. That is your second equation. Student, any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
No doubt, no problem. Yes, Pragati.
So now we will substitute.
Yes, Pragati.
No, sir.
No doubt.
Sir, I was having.
Okay, student.
No, sir.
Okay, student.
Then मैं को बता कि x is equal to 6 plus 5 हमने y को ट्रांसफर कर दिया सब्स्टिट्यूशन
Yes, student. Putting value of x. Value of x from equation second in equation first. Students, x square plus y square is equal to 468. Now replace x with 6 plus y. 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. Student, any doubt, any problems? X square plus y square is equal to 468. Replace x is equal to 6 plus y. Replace x with 6 plus y whole square is plus y square is equal to 468. Open the square. That is a square plus b square plus 2a b a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab plus y square is equal to 468. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, yes students. Yes students.
No doubt, sir.
Who had doubt? No doubt?
No, sir.
Now student, your equation becomes y square plus y square, that is 2y square plus 12y plus 36 is equal to 468 plus 468.
Sir, you may continue. Your voice is not coming, sir.
Why is it not coming?
Sir, now it's coming.
Okay students, 2y square plus 12y plus 36. Now students, 2y square plus 12y plus 36 is equal to 468. Student, any doubt, any problems? Now student, what is common? Now you should transfer 2y square plus 12y
This common.
that is
36 minus
468
468.
minus 36. 2y square plus 12y is equal to 12y, that is 12y is equal to 8 minus 6, 2, that is 6, 432, and it can be written as 2y square plus 12y minus 432 is equal to 0.
0.
What is common? 2 is common. Y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0.
116.
Is equal to 0.
1.
Student, any doubt, any problems?
No.
Now student, 0 divided by 2 is 0 divided by 2.
0.
0. It becomes y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. Now make two factors such that multiplication of two factor will be minus 216 and the subtraction will be plus 6. Please
Plus
tell.
18 minus 12.
Plus 18 minus 12. Y square plus 18y minus 12y
Take common.
minus 216 equal to 0. Now
Then
student, what is
here
common?
in the next step y is common and it will become y plus 18.
Y plus 18. Very good students. Now it becomes y plus 18 and y minus 18 equal to 0. It means y is equal to minus 18 and 12. Length of side can never be negatives. Length of side can never be negative.
Hence y minus 18 is equal to reject.
Length of side can never be negative. Never be negative. So y is equal to minus 18 is rejected. Is rejected. Therefore side of second square is 12 meter. Student, what is the relation between x and y?
X is equal
X
to
is equal
plus y.
minus 6.
putting y is equal to 12 in equation second. What is equation second?
X is equals to 6 plus y.
X is equal to 6 plus y, and x is equal to, students, now x is equal to, what is 6 plus 12? That is 18 meter. Now length of first square is 18 meter. Length of first square is 18 meter. Length of first square is 18 meter. Length of second square is 12 meter. Length of side of first square is 18 meter. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, exercise 4.4, question number first, second part I am doing. Remaining two parts as homework we have already discussed in exercise 4.3. We have already discussed these questions. Student, have you done or not?
No sir, no doubt.
Have you done?
Yes sir.
Okay students. Okay. Now
So many
students,
students have switched on their camera, but you are not able to see them.
yes students,
So many students have switched on the camera, but you are not able to see them.
okay. Switch on their camera.
Yes, sir. They have switched on the camera from the start. Sir.
Now student, exercise 4.4, exercise 4.4, question number first,
Nature of
third part. Yes, Pragati, any doubt?
no sir, no doubt. I was just saying the nature.
Find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, find them. You have already done these type of questions. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Now student, coefficient of x square is, the coefficient of x is, and coefficient na constant term is 4. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
Now student, what is discriminant? Discriminant, capital D. B square minus 4ac.
Square minus 4.
What is B? Minus 4 root
Minus
square 4. What is A?
into
What?
3.
Now student, minus 4 root 3 square
48.
48. Root 3 into root 3.
3.
Minus 4 square.
3.
Minus 4 root 3 square. Minus square plus. Minus square convert into plus sign.
Then it will become 48.
48. Minus 48. That will become 0. Now student, if D is 0, then given quadratic equation has two equal real root. D is equal to 0, then quadratic equation has two equal real roots. equal real roots. If two equal real root exist, then find the value of x. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a.
Sir, question.
Yes, students.
Sir, if we want to denote two roots, so can we use alpha and beta
Yes.
since they are the same?
Yes, Arpit. Yes.
Sir, if we want to denote two roots at a given time, so can we use alpha and beta since roots and zeros are the same?
Yes. You have to find out the d and put the value of d as 0. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir, no doubt.
Arpit, any doubt? Arpit?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, student, put the value of d minus b. B is what is b? B is minus 4 root 3. Minus, we found the minus and minus 4 root 3. That is plus minus 0. What is a? A is 2 into 3. Now, student, minus minus plus 4 root 3 divided by 6. That is 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6. X is equal to 2 root 3 and 3. Break 3. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. We can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir, no problem.
That is cancel out. It becomes, yes, 2 by root 3. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Shreya, yes.
So please explain this question once again.
Achha, okay. Okay, students. Student, first of all, the given quadratic equation is given 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. As you know that coefficient of x square is a is equal to 3. Coefficient of x is b, that is b is equal to minus 4 root 3, and constant term is c, that is c is equal to 4. Say any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now, student, we will find out capital D, that is discriminant, and the formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Replace the value of a, b, and c in this formula. Put the values of a, b, and c in this formula. And the value of b, as you know that minus 4 root 3 square minus what is a? A is 3 and c is 4. Solve it. Minus square is plus. 4 square 16 root 3 square 3. 16 3s are 48. Minus 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48 is equal to 0. Say you have already discussed about nature of roots. There will be 3 cases. If d is greater than 0, then quadratic equation has 2 distinct real roots. If d is equal to 0, then quadratic equation has 2 equal real roots. If d is less than 0, then quadratic equation has no real roots. But in this question, d is equal to 0. If d is equal to 0, then quadratic equation has 2 equal real roots, and we will find out these roots by using quadratic formula. And quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Minus b plus minus root d by 2a. Here the minus sign in the formula, and that is value of b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus, and the value of d is 0. And value of a is 3, 2 3s are 6. Minus minus plus 4 root 3 divided by 6. So write 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Break 3 as root 3 into root 3, and it becomes 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Sia, any doubt, any problems? Sia?
Sir, I am Srini. So no doubt.
Srini? No doubt? Any doubt, any problem in this question?
No. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, students.
No,
Now two equal real roots. Two equal real roots of given quadratic equation. Equation are that is 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Student, any doubt, any problems?
no, sir.
Do it fast.
No, sir.
Note down it. Note down it.
Noted.
Students, question number 2, first part, find the value of most important question of this exercise. Student, I will give you 100% this type of question in the exams. I will give, find the value of k, find the value of a and b, such type of questions. These type of questions are most important questions. As you know that in chapter number 3, find the value of k, find the value of a and b if the pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions, unique solution, no solution, and in this chapter find the value of k if the given quadratic equation has two equal real roots. Most important concept of this chapter. Okay, students?
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
स्टूडेंट इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आपको मिलेगा एग्जाम में मिलता है चैप्टर नंबर 3 से उस टाइप का क्वेश्चन, चैप्टर नंबर 4 से इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. मैम, कैन आई टेक 5 मिनट्स? ओके.
So we will find distributed and equalizes to 0 to find the value.
Yes, very good. Yes, who is speaking? Swasti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are right. Students, when the chapter will go, I will tell you which is important, which is not important. In this chapter, word problem question is most important. Word problem questions, most important. 5 marks will carry. 5 marks.
By the word problem questions only we can form equations, and that will also help to find the value of a, like this type of question.
Yes. Word problem question will carry 5 marks. In this chapter, concept is downstream upstream. Downstream upstream question is also there, and that is example number 15. Example number 15. But most important questions of this chapter. Word problem question I will give you 100%. 100% I will give you. And the weekly test that will held tomorrow. It means I will give you. Okay, students? You can understand? I will give you 100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, students? Now, students, come to the point. Find the value of k for which the following quadratic equation show that they have two equal roots. Question number 2, first part. 2x square plus kx plus 3 इक्वल टू 0। स्टूडेंट्स, आपका जो एग्जाम होगा वो होगा मार्च के अंदर, मार्च में एग्जाम होंगे। लेकिन आज मैं अभी बता सकता हूं कि आपके पेपर में किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, अभी बता दूंगा मैं आपको। क्या है 60 मार्क्स का पेपर, मैं अभी बता सकता हूं कि 60 मार्क्स का पेपर इस ये क्वेश्चन है।
बता दीजिए सर।
बता तो रहा हूं मैं, अभी स्टेटमेंट का क्वेश्चन आएगा, पक्का आएगा ऐसे। टू प्रूव दैट इरेशनल नंबर, चैप्टर नंबर 1 से 100% आएगा। 2 zeros are given, you have to find out other 2 zeros, 100% आएगा। Infinitely many solution, unique solution, no solution, concept will be 100% कम, 100% कम।
सर ऐसे बता रहे हैं हम जल्दी जल्दी लिख नहीं पाएंगे तो
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। स्टूडेंट लिसन, आई एम अलोंग विद यू, मैं आपके साथ ही, कहीं जाने ना मैं, लेकिन ना मैं आपको इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन ऐसे करवाऊंगा कि आप करके आओगे, क्योंकि आई विल ऑलरेडी सेटल द सीबीएसई पेपर्स। मैं सीबीएसई के पेपर को सेटल कर चुका हूं, मेरे को पता है किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन सेटल होते हैं, ठीक है। I have already settled.
So you have total CBSE paper of marks?
Yes, I have already settled. And I have checked the paper of CBSE. CBSE के पेपर मैंने चेक किए हैं, CBSE के पेपर मैंने सेट किए हैं, तो I have a lot of experience of CBSE. अभी तो बता रहा हूँ मैं किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन सेट होते हैं। No problems. I will tell you which type of question come in the CBSE exams. Don't worry about that. But first of all,
also please can
student listen to me. First focus on NCERT syllabus. Because paper will settled from NVS and KVS teachers. वो और ऑल फोकस किसके ऊपर होता है? गवर्नमेंट स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर फोकस होता है कि हमारे बच्चे क्या है अधिक से अधिक मार्क्स गेन करें, ठीक है ना। तो मोस्ट पेपर विल सेटल्ड फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी, मोस्ट ऑफ द पेपर विल सेटल्ड फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी एंड एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ले लो
आप देंगे?
हाँ कोई नहीं, ले लेता हूँ।
कोई बात नहीं सर, मैं पढ़ा देती हूँ, आपको परेशान करूँगी।
नहीं मैं 5 मिनट पढ़ा देता हूँ, मैं कुछ करवा देता
ठीक है, कल आइए आप।
हूँ। ओके।
answer please one thing sir, like by giving us the syllabus please also give in the written format like which questions are very important or which questions are needed to be take more focus.
Student, which question I am giving you in worksheet in a weekly test, please revise that question, revise again and again that type of questions. Okay students, revise that type of question again and again.
Okay, sir.
Student, 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Student, coefficient of x square is 2, that is a is equal to 2, and coefficient of x is equal to b is equal to a and c is equal to 3. Now students, what is the value? We have to find out the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac.
4a.
What is b? B is k square minus 4. What is a? A is 2 and what is c? That is 3. Capital D, that is a. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now student, the given quadratic equation has two equal real roots. The given quadratic equation has two equal real roots. If a given quadratic equation has two equal roots, then d is equal to 0. Now student, what is d? Value of d is k square minus 24 is equal to 0 and k square is equal to 24. Now we have to find out the value of k. Value of k.
K is equal to plus minus root 24.
Yes, k is equal to square root of 24 plus minus. K is equal to
Answer here we are taking plus minus root 24 because if the square of minus will also be plus and square of plus will also be plus. So that
Yes,
is why
Pragati,
we
yeah.
are applying like both plus and minus.
Yes, Pragati, very good. It means your concept is clear. Now student, factorize it. 2 into 12, 24, 2 into 6 and 2 into 3. Now student, pairing of like factors, that is 2 into 2 and k is equal to plus minus, that is 2 root 6. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Have you any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
No sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Yes, who is speaking? Shreya Patel. Shreya, your voice is not coming. Shreya, your voice is not coming. Yes?
Hear me?
Explain.
Sir?
Yes. Again.
Sir, please scroll to a little up. Sir, little bit up.
Again we have to
Sir, please scroll up. Sir, please scroll up.
scroll up. Okay. Yes. Note down it. Student, revise examples of chapter number 4. Revise example of chapter number 4. Your NCERT concept should be clear.
Now for tomorrow's exam, how many